Hello, everybody. This is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today, guys, on Mama Bui's menu, we are making baked beans. Guys, this recipe is so flavorful and delicious. Let's get started. Let's get right into the ingredients. You will need bacon, baked beans, ketchup, green peppers, red bell peppers, ham, brown sugar, and onions. Let's get started. In a medium bowl, combine baked beans with brown sugar. Give it a good mix. Next, we are going to add ketchup. Then we're going to add onions. We are also adding in ham. We are also going to toss in red bell peppers and green bell peppers. Give it a good mix until well combined. Lightly spray your baking dish with a cooking spray. Pour the bean mixture into a greased baking dish. Cover with the lid and bake for 1 hour. At 1 hour mark, we're gonna remove it from the oven, uncover, and continue to bake for another 1 hour. It's been 2 hours. Our beans are out of the oven. Look how thick they are, guys. They are so delicious. There you have it, guys. Easy, delicious baked beans. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share it with your friends and your family, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.